What's up guys, Sean here. So just a few days back I switched to Linux. So in today's video I'll be talking briefly about what Linux is, and then I'm going to talk about why I switched to Linux and how I switched to Linux and how is the user experience on Linux. Okay, so the first question, what is Linux? Now Linux is a family of operating systems that were created by a guy named Linus Torvalds, and it is free and open source. So now if you notice, I use the word family, and this is because there are a lot of Linux distributions out there, and some of the main examples are Ubuntu, there's Arch Linux, there's Gentoo, there's Linux Mint, and there are many other distributions. And now the second question, why I switched to Linux. Now on Windows, when I used Windows on my laptop, I had many problems. Now if you guys know, my laptop has very less system resources. It just has 4 GB of RAM. It has only 100 GB storage. Now this is very less for Windows. For example, when I open Chrome, if I open 10 tabs, my entire RAM would be used up. And like that, my storage also go over. So I wanted to switch to Linux because I heard it would be a more lightweight solution, and it was. Now the third question, how I install Linux. Now I went with a distribution called Kubuntu, and this is based on Ubuntu. So first I downloaded the ISO file from their website and I flashed it to a USB drive using a software called Balena Etcher. And since I used the HP laptop, I had to enter my boot menu pressing the escape key on restart. And then I think I had to press the F9 or F10 key, and then I had to select the USB from the list. Now after I booted into my USB, it was very easy. The installation step was very easy and it just got over within 15-20 minutes. And I had a fully working system in a small amount of time. Now the most important question, how is the user experience on Linux? Now since I went with Kubuntu, I had a lot of pre-installed software that was ready to go. And at first I experienced some issues with the touchpad and some other drivers, but then that was very easy to fix, and within a few minutes I had everything ready to go. And this laptop now has everything you probably will need. You can play Minecraft, you can play games on this, you can use many other software that you use. And I think Linux has more software than Windows. So I think I made the right decision switching to Linux. And with that said, that's gonna be it for today's video guys. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe. This is Sean signing off. See you in the next video.